going to cook the chicken curry, Thai chicken curry. Half into your pot, please. About 2 teaspoons of your curry paste.
Okay.
Half of the amount of the chicken stock, please, into your pot. 1/9 teaspoon of plum sugar, please, into your pot. And then you stir again, mix it well again. And about 2 teaspoons fish sauce, please. About 2 fish sauce, please. Alright. And now twist chicken in the pot. Take your eggplant and cut the way that you like. Two or 3 leaves of papaya. Okay, feel free to add in the fresh chili if you want to. Okay. Okay. It gotta be spicy, sweet, okay, and salty on the same time. Okay. Nice. How about you? You taste your one? If you happy with the taste? Yeah. Smell great. If you feel happy with the taste, then start your preparation.
Okay.
You can plate it now. The sweet basil that you have is also not a bad idea to chop it up and dump into your curry.
Okay.
Or you can use as a garnish. The body is nice. It's about right. Okay? Alright? Again, your personal taste is always the best. It's always preferred. Okay, can I please? This is also very good. Just a little touch of sugar, then it's perfect. This one is nice. Well done, well done.
Okay.
It's about good. I really like this one. I mean, it's good.
Oh? Yes, it's right.
But most of the Thai people would add more curry paste, would add more chili. Yeah? But for me, it's okay.
Yeah, it's good. I'm learning a lot. Yes, happy. Happy meal.
It's good, very good. For Thai cooking, yes, I can be qualified.